Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Tecno phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to set date and time on Tecno mobile. Friends, you want to set date and time on your Tecno mobile. So friends, how to set date and time. In this video friends we will talk about one by one, step by step. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel. Friends, open your Tecno mobile phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, you can see this type interface on your mobile. Friends, click here system setting. Tecno mobile के system setting, click here. After on system setting, friends, you can see language setting. Friends, you want to change language, so click here language setting. Friends, you can add language, and already friends you have added language, so you can select language, you can change language on your device. Friends, click here date and time setting. And once you want to set date, you want to set time, so first of all you will have to click here use network provide time, and guys off your use network provide time, and you can select date, you can set date. Friends, today is 22 March. Friends, I will set here 23 March and okay. Set time setting, friends, you can set time. So friends, I will click here 3 p.m. We will set 3 p.m. like 4 p.m. For AM PM, friends, you want to set select AM PM time, OK option, and friends you can see phone time and phone date will set on a device. Friends, you can see 4 p.m. and 23 March. So like that friends, you can set your date and time. And friends, you want to use your 24-hour format. Friends, you can see 4 p.m. Friends, when I will on 24-hour format, guys 4 p.m. will not show on screen friends, and friends 16 will show on your device. Friends, you can see use 24 format. Friends, you can see 4 p.m. will not show on screen, 16 will show. 16 means guys 4 p.m, 17 5 p.m, 18 6 p.m. So friends, you want to use 20-hour formats, you can on. And if you also use 20-hour format, friends, you can see 1 p.m, 2 p.m, 3 p.m, 4 p.m will show on her screen. So like that friends, you can on your use 24-hour format setting. Friends, you can see scheme dual clock you want to on, time zone setting you want to use, so you can off your automatic time zone, you want to select time zone, so you can select time zone and you can use it. So friends, I will off it. And friends, if you click here use provide time, use network provide time, click here friends, automatic your date and time will set when you will go online. So guys, now we will connect network. After connect guys network, friends, automatic date and time will set correct time and correct date. So friends, after connect friends, you can see date and time automatic set correct time and correct date. So like that friends, we can set up date and time on Tecno mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys, and before going please go and like the video, subscribe the channel.